So, I flew Ryanair again. On a more serious note, however, after receiving some minor criticism from my last Ryanair flight review, I've decided to go in with a more open mind and try them out once again as I fly on one of their classic Boeing 737-800s from the unique Glasgow Prestwick airport to Alicante. So, welcome to Mac Aviation and let's go flying. So for the first time in over a decade, I'm flying from Glasgow Prestwick Airport. The passenger terminal opened in the 1960s, but has since seen its downfall. The airport was sold to the Scottish Government for £1, and now Ryanair is the only passenger airline that operates scheduled flights. The terminal hasn't changed much since it opened, and has a rather historic feel to it. It's a really small terminal, and roughly only half of it is still used today. Security today only took a few minutes, and I was soon sat in the very quiet departure lounge. It's very minimalistic, with only a W.H. Smith, a bar and restaurant, the Elvis Presley bar, which was closed at the time of my visit. Glasgow Prestwick was the only place in the UK that Elvis Presley visited when his plane refueled to return to the US after finishing his military service in Germany in 1960. They're clearly very proud of it here. Anyway, the flight was soon called to board from the one gate door they have at Prestwick. The aircraft that will be taking me down to Alicante today is EI-EFC, a 14-year-old Boeing 737-800 delivered brand new to Ryanair in 2009. I found my seat in row 15 and we taxied out for departure from runway 12. Enjoy. So I know I kind of have a reputation for taking the mickey out of Ryanair, but I received some criticism regarding the way I reviewed them last time, so I'm trying them again with a more open mind. Believe it or not, Ryanair actually isn't the UK's worst airline. Oh no, that was awarded to Wizz Air 6 days after this flight. Maybe Ryanair aren't so bad after all, but wait until the end of the video to hear my final opinions. Ryanair are currently in the process of retrofitting 409 of their Boeing 737-800s with split scimitar winglets to make them more fuel efficient. I like them, and I think it will be cool to fly on one with them someday. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. After takeoff, I ordered my usual for a Ryanair flight, a ham and cheese panini, which honestly I quite like. It's some of the best food you'll find on a plane, and beats Ryanair's famous lasagna. I also bought a can of Pringles and a Coke Zero, which came to a total of €11, which is a bit more expensive than other airlines. I found my table was quite dirty, but that trait isn't just limited to Ryanair. The cabin was fairly clean and it was fitted with the new seats, but not the sky interior. Legroom on Ryanair's Boeing 737-800 is 30 inches. However, on the newer Boeing 737-8200, it's 28 inches. Soon we began our descent into Alicante to land on runway 10. So here's what I'm thinking. Ryanair's customer service is pretty bad, but honestly, that's what you're paying for. You get what you give. Personally, I don't like the way Ryanair treats its passengers, but everyone has a different opinion on it. I can only give you mine. Ryanair's food isn't bad, and the pricing is maybe a bit steeper than other low-cost carriers, but not by much. Legroom on the 737-800 is very generous, but it is quite uncomfortable on the 737 MAX. I stand by what I said in my last video, but I hope you think I've been less biased and hopefully more thorough. Anyway, thanks for watching this review. You'll be pleased to know that that's me done with Ryanair flight reviews, until 2024 at least. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks a lot for watching and take care.